Alright, so yesterday, we basically were undoing single logs. Okay? But today, we're going to we're going backwards. So yesterday we were putting them into this format. Today we're going to put them back into that format. Okay? Does that make sense? Sir?
Can we do 24?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Didn't I have that one out there? Oh, no, that's why I had the X on it, because it has different bases, and I didn't catch that when I signed it. That's why I said skip that one.
Okay.
My bad. I'm sorry. Because e to the log is basically 1, so you end up with e squared equaling 9. That ends up just being the e squared. And so when you take the square root, yeah. Okie dokie. Anyway, back to, alright, so yesterday we were taking from this format, putting them into that format. Today we're going to go from this format and put them back into that format. Does that make sense? Alright, so let's get this straight. And I'm going to keep my rules right there in front of me so that I can remember. Because these are the rules. You're going to use this one, and this one the most. Okay, those are the ones you need to know. Are we ready? Yeah? Okie dokie. So, first thing you want to look at is ask yourself, do you have multiplication or division going on? Do I have so in the first one, do I have multiplication or division going on? You betcha, multiplication. So, if I have multiplication going on, then what do? Change it to addition. Okay, so that means it's going to be log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of x. Good? If it had been division, what would I have done?
Subtract.
Yeah, subtract. Okay, the next stage, look for exponents. Once you have no more multiplication or division, then look to exponents. What do you do if you have exponents? Move to the front, right? Okay, and those are basically the steps that you're going to do. Okay? Are we good so far? Yeah. Do I have all of them? Yeah. All right, so what do I have going on in this next one? Do I have multiplication? Do I have division? No, I have multiplication, right? Okay, so I have log A of x plus log A of the square root of x squared plus 1. Do we agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Do I have any exponents?
The x squared.
And that doesn't really count because that's kind of in that group. It's not for the whole thing. I need it for a whole thing. Do I?
Then no.
No.
Then yes.
Wait, is the x is greater than 0?
No, that's just a rule that that's just the rule to make it correct, that since I have a radical, I can't have any negative numbers there. However, how can I rewrite my radical?
1/2.
As an exponent of 1/2. Perfect. Okay, now do I have an exponent? Yeah, what do I do with that exponent? Move it to the front. Okay? Now, that exponent's going to be okay. It's that it has to be an exponent to a whole group kind of thing. Alrighty? That's it. Alright, in my third one, what do I have going on? Division. So I have ln of x squared minus the ln of x minus 1 cubed. Do I have any exponents going on? Yeah, 2. Let's throw that to the front. And then I also have this 3 because it goes with the whole thing. Anything else I can simplify out? No, we're done. That's it. All right, one more. What do I have? Do I have multiplication or division going on? I have both actually, because I got multiplication on the top. I got division. So let's start and break out into 2. So I got the log of x times x plus 4 minus the log of x plus 2 to the 9th. Everybody with me so far?
I'm with you.
Awesome. Okay, now I got multiplication going on. So if I break that out, I'm going to have the log of x plus the log of x plus 4. Now, I'm going to put a little bracket around there just to keep myself and remind myself that all of that would have to be divided by my log of the x plus 2 to the 9th. Okay. Now, do I have an exponent?
Yeah.
Yep, so let's throw that bad boy in front. The minus 9 log of x plus 2, and I'm done. Okay. Not difficult, just a matter of using the rules to be able to go back and forth between the two formats. All right? So, 37 through 55 on the odds. I do have an answer key available that I got done third period. So, if you want to check your work as you're working along, feel free. Good? Questions? Comments? Goes to you. Concerns? All right.